Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to prevent Facebook Web from connecting to USB devices on your PC. This quick setting can give you extra control over your privacy and protect your computer from unwanted hardware access. Let's get started. First, open Facebook Web on your browser. You can do this by typing facebook.com into your address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, look right next to the web address. You'll see an icon that looks like a padlock or a small information symbol. Click on it to open the View Site Information panel. Now, from that menu, select Settings. This will take you directly to the permission settings for the Facebook website. Here, you can manage what Facebook is allowed to access on your computer, things like your camera, microphone, and more. Next, scroll down until you find Permissions and then click on More Settings Permissions. This section lists advanced options that most people don't realize exist, but they're very useful when you want to fine-tune your security preferences. Look for the setting labeled USB devices. This is where your browser controls whether the website can communicate with hardware connected to your PC's USB ports. By default, some browsers may keep this on Ask or Allow, depending on your previous choices. To fully stop Facebook Web from accessing any USB devices, simply choose Block. Once you do that, the browser will prevent the site from sending or receiving any USB connection requests. This means no unexpected pop-ups asking to connect devices and no background access attempts. After changing the setting, you can close the tab or refresh Facebook to apply the update automatically. It's a quick fix, but an important one for keeping your personal information and devices safe. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken an extra step to secure your browsing and ensure Facebook Web stays limited to what you allow. Take a moment to check other websites too. Applying the same setting can help build a more private, more secure online experience.